Okay, so one thing that we're trying to do to prep for this winter storm that I guess is coming, or this ice storm, is we're just going to try to make some healthy snacks kind of that are yummy and that maybe the kids will eat. So when we're, when we're all bored and stuck inside, everyone wants to snack. So we're going to make some chocolate chip muffins. Sound good? This is Sage. Okay, so we're gonna start with some flour, and we don't have any gluten sensitivity in our house, so we usually just use like whole wheat flour or whatever, but I usually mix like half oat flour in there, and I make my own and just like blend it up or whatever. So we'll do that first. All right, and we're just gonna add in our dry ingredients, your baking soda. What do we got here? Salt, and what else is in there? Cinnamon? Cinnamon, okay, cool. So we're gonna do that. And then Seiji gonna mix it up for us. Okay, let's go ahead. This is like one of our ways that we get the kids to eat some of the stuff we make, is to let them cook a little bit with us. Cool, all right. So now we're gonna add in some of our other stuff. So why don't we add in our cocoa powder? Great, okay. I'm also gonna add in like a scoop of some plant-based protein powder, chocolate flavored. This is not an ad, but we like cassava in this house. Okay, dump that in. That'll add a little nutrients, some multivitamins in there too. Okay, and then we're gonna do some whole fat Greek yogurt for some extra protein and some fat. Okay, scoop that in there. And then, an oil of your choice. I'm going to use extra virgin olive oil, but, you could use like coconut oil or some grass-fed butter melted and cooled. Okay, and then a little bit of, what's this? Smell it? Smell good? Some vanilla. So we're going to do a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, dump that in. And what are these? Eggs, of course. Couple of these. You want to crack one? No? Okay. Couple eggs. All right. And then, Sage, you want to mix that up and wipe my hands off? So mix that in, and a little bit of almond milk too, or some milk of your choice. Just what we have on hand. Keep mixing, keep mixing. And I'm going to do, for a sweetener in these, some local honey, but you could use like maple syrup or whatever that you had on hand. Okay, so put that in here. Oh yeah, that looks good, huh? Okay. Okay, we'll dump that in there. Okay, mix that up. But yeah, looks good. Oh, a double stir. That's good. Keep going. Stir it up. How's it looking?
Good.
Pretty good. Okay. And these are like pretty simple muffins. We'll add in some chocolate chips, bake in the oven. I can post like the recipe I just got off the internet or whatever for that. But we're doing this for the ice/snowstorm. And then, we got some beef jerky and some dried fruit and nuts and some healthy-ish bars and lots of soups stocked away just in case. We're hoping we don't have to do the sleeping bag in the living room if the power goes out. But if we do, we'll have lots of snacks. Why don't you post your ideas of some healthy snacks that y'all are going to keep at your house, some fresh fruit on the counter and stuff like that. Okay, stay safe.